Lesson: Aligning benefits and leave with employment law compliance. Aligning benefits and leave policies with employment law compliance is a critical task for HR leaders, especially in a global context where regulations vary significantly across jurisdictions. The intricacies of employment law require a robust understanding of both the statutory obligations and the strategic alignment of benefits and leave policies with organizational goals. Failure to comply with these legal requirements can lead to penalties, legal disputes, and a damaged reputation. Therefore, HR professionals must be equipped with actionable insights and practical tools to ensure compliance while optimizing employee satisfaction and organizational performance. The first step in aligning benefits and leave with employment law is conducting a comprehensive audit of current policies. This audit should evaluate the existing benefits and leave structures against the legal requirements in each jurisdiction where the organization operates. For instance, the Family and Medical Leave Act in the United States mandates that eligible employees must be granted up to 12 weeks of unpaid leave for family and medical reasons. An audit could reveal gaps in compliance, such as insufficient leave duration or incorrect eligibility criteria, which HR leaders must address promptly. Once an audit is complete, HR leaders should develop a compliance framework that serves as a guiding document for all benefits and leave policies. This framework should outline the legal requirements, organizational objectives, and employee expectations. A practical tool for this purpose is a compliance checklist that includes every aspect of benefits and leave policies, such as eligibility, duration, notice requirements, and documentation. By using a checklist, HR professionals can systematically review and update policies, ensuring no compliance aspect is overlooked. In addition to statutory requirements, HR leaders must also consider the interplay between benefits and organizational culture. Offering benefits that exceed the legal minimum can be a strategic advantage in attracting and retaining talent. For example, Netflix offers unlimited paid time off, which is not a legal requirement but aligns with its culture of freedom and responsibility. However, HR leaders must balance such offerings with the potential for abuse and ensure that they are implemented fairly across the organization. Another practical tool for aligning benefits and leave with compliance is the use of technology. HR management systems can automate the tracking of leave entitlements, accruals, and usage, reducing the risk of human error and ensuring compliance with legal requirements. These systems can also generate reports that provide insights into leave patterns and help HR leaders make data-driven decisions about policy adjustments. For instance, an HRMS could reveal trends in leave usage that indicate a need for additional support or resources in certain departments, prompting a proactive response from HR. Training and communication are also crucial components of compliance. HR leaders must ensure that both managers and employees are aware of the benefits and leave policies, as well as their rights and responsibilities under the law. Regular training sessions and clear communication channels can help prevent misunderstandings and ensure that policies are applied consistently. An effective strategy is to create a centralized online portal where employees can easily access policy documents, submit leave requests, and receive updates on any changes to policies. Case studies of organizations that have successfully aligned their benefits and leave policies with employment law provide valuable lessons. For instance, Google faced challenges with its parental leave policy, which initially did not meet the diverse needs of its workforce. By conducting employee surveys and analyzing feedback, Google revised its policy to offer more generous parental leave, resulting in increased employee satisfaction and reduced attrition rates. This example underscores the importance of involving employees in the policy development process to ensure that their needs are met while maintaining compliance. In navigating the complexities of international employment law, HR leaders must also consider cross-border compliance issues. Multinational organizations face the challenge of harmonizing policies across different legal landscapes, each with its own set of requirements. A practical approach is to establish a global compliance team responsible for monitoring legal developments, coordinating policy adjustments, and ensuring that local HR teams are equipped to address jurisdiction-specific challenges. This proactive approach not only minimizes legal risks, but also enhances the organization's ability to respond swiftly to regulatory changes. Furthermore, HR leaders should adopt a risk management perspective when aligning benefits and leave policies. Identifying potential compliance risks, such as unclear policy language or inconsistent application of policies, allows HR professionals to implement mitigation strategies. One effective framework is the Risk Assessment Matrix, which categorizes risks based on their likelihood and impact, enabling HR leaders to prioritize actions and allocate resources effectively. Finally, continuous improvement is essential in maintaining compliance and optimizing benefits and leave policies. HR leaders should regularly review and update policies in response to changes in employment law, organizational strategy, and workforce demographics. Feedback mechanisms, such as employee surveys and focus groups, provide valuable insights into the effectiveness of current policies and areas for improvement. By fostering a culture of continuous improvement, organizations can ensure that their benefits and leave policies remain competitive, compliant, and aligned with employee needs. In conclusion, aligning benefits and leave policies with employment law compliance is a multifaceted endeavor that requires a strategic approach, practical tools, and continuous engagement with both legal requirements and employee expectations. By conducting comprehensive audits, developing compliance frameworks, leveraging technology, and fostering open communication, HR leaders can effectively navigate this complex landscape. The integration of real-world examples and case studies illustrates the tangible benefits of aligning policies with compliance, ultimately enhancing organizational performance and employee satisfaction.